What's going on, guys? It's Coach Bronson here, and today is the day that this thing goes live on Amazon. The Ultimate Fitness Book. It's something that I've spent the last little over a year putting together. It's a compilation of over 10 years of coaching, 10 years of information, trial and error, experience, working with clients, doing things on my own, and trying to figure out the best way, the things that we can do to optimize and simplify how to follow a ketogenic diet and get the most out of it, okay, while you do it. So basic stuff in here. I talk about mindset, we talk about fitness, we talk about nutrition. There's some stories in here about people that have followed the methods and protocols that I lay out in this book and the success that they've had doing it. So remember, it's all about quality of life, and this really breaks down. I want you to understand, when you finish reading this book, I want you to understand how being ketogenic is going to improve your life, not just help you lose fat. All right. I want to thank all the people that helped me do this, that contributed to it, the people that shared their stories. When I thank Dr. Barry for taking a look at it, reviewing it, offering to write the foreword for it. So he's got some stuff in here for you to read as well. And it's just super appreciative to all the support that everybody has given me while I've been digging into this and putting this together. All right. It's going live today. So get your copy. Read it, write a review, share it, do whatever you need to do. But I really, really, really hope that this helps you get past any stalls, plateaus, and starts moving you forward to where you want to be. All right. The Ultimate Ketogenic Fitness Book. Okay. The guide to optimizing keto for a better quality of life. All right. It's live today. Go get it.